This year, we will provide more than 2.5 billion in funding to over 180,000 small and medium enterprises and extend a further 1 billion in guarantees. Naturally, we will seek to also focus on women and youth-led businesses. To foster their empowerment. And we will amend the National Credit Act regulations to make it easier to access credit at a lower cost. We take seriously the public comments on the draft business licensing bill and will ensure that the final bill makes it easier, not harder, to start and to run a small business in South Africa. We will do that. It is a matter of national concern that too many South Africans remain unemployed and too many young people struggle to find their first job. That is why we are rebuilding the economy. We are creating work and livelihood opportunities on a scale through public and social employment programs. Wow. Now, all these actions will create a stronger economy and fix the foundations that were broken. This year, we will introduce regulatory changes that will make it much easier for businesses to participate in the Youth Employment Service and create jobs for young people. In the coming year, we will expand our public employment programs, including the Community Works Program.
And the EPWP.
Wow! We will ensure that they are better coordinated, provide income support, skills development, and pathways into longer-term work, particularly for young people and women, to ensure that no one is left behind. Above all, however, a strong economy relies on a well-educated, capable, and skilled population.